As a retiree, you've spent years working hard, building up your retirement savings, and planning for the future. But here's the shocking truth. You could be facing hefty taxes on that nest egg when you begin taking distributions. The reality? It's possible that your hard-earned retirement funds could be taxed at higher rates than you'd like, leaving you with less than you expected. But what if I told you there's a way to slash your retirement taxes using a powerful strategy that's often overlooked? Today, we're diving into how Roth conversions can help you lower your tax burden in retirement, protect your nest egg, and secure your future. Stick with me. You'll want to hear about this. In the world of retirement planning, we're all familiar with the typical IRA or 401k accounts, where contributions are made pre-tax, and the idea is to pay taxes when you withdraw. But here's the problem. As the years go on, your retirement accounts grow, meaning more income and more taxes when you finally access those funds. The higher your tax bracket, the less of that money actually ends up in your pocket. It's a catch-22 that many retirees don't see coming. But then there's the Roth IRA. A Roth IRA operates a little differently. Contributions are made after tax, meaning no deductions today, but withdrawals, including all the gains, are tax-free, as long as you meet certain conditions. Imagine, years from now, having a retirement income that's entirely tax-free. That's a dream come true for many, especially in an era of rising taxes. Now, here's the golden nugget, Roth conversions. This strategy allows you to convert part of your existing retirement savings from a traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA. It's a way to proactively manage your tax situation, ensuring that you're in a lower tax bracket when you retire. But here's the kicker. If done correctly, it can save you tens of thousands of dollars in taxes over your lifetime. And with today's economic uncertainty, this strategy is more important than ever. Let me take you through the journey of someone just like you. Meet Karen, a retired teacher from Ohio. After decades of saving, she had built up a $500,000 nest egg in her traditional IRA. But as she neared retirement, she began to worry about how much of that would be eaten up by taxes. So, she took a bold step. She decided to convert a portion of her IRA into a Roth IRA. Over the course of a few years, Karen strategically converted about $100,000 of her traditional IRA into a Roth, paying taxes on that amount at a lower rate than she would have when she started withdrawing in retirement. Fast forward a few years, and Karen is now living off her tax-free Roth IRA withdrawals. Because she did the Roth conversion, she lowered her future tax burden, and her retirement is far more secure. But here's the kicker. This strategy doesn't just help with taxes. It gives you more control over your income in retirement. You can decide when and how much to convert based on your current tax situation, potentially keeping yourself in a lower tax bracket during your working years, while also setting yourself up for tax-free income later. So how can you take advantage of this strategy? It's simple, or at least it can be with the right guidance. The first step is understanding your current tax bracket and whether it's a good time to convert. The best time to do a Roth conversion is often during retirement years, when your income is lower, as you may be in a lower tax bracket than during your working years. It's also important to consider how much you can convert without pushing yourself into a higher tax bracket. Don't worry, this is a strategy you don't have to tackle alone. Imagine having one-on-one guidance from an expert, someone who can walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you're making the most of your hard-earned retirement funds. And that's exactly what I'm offering you today. I want to offer you a free Gold IRA guide, specifically designed for retirees like you who have over $100,000 in their IRA or 401k. This guide will walk you through the ins and outs of Roth conversions, explain the potential tax benefits, and give you a roadmap to reducing your tax burden while securing your retirement. But it doesn't end there. I'm also offering a no-obligation educational call where you'll speak directly with a retirement expert who can help you evaluate your options. You've worked hard to build your retirement savings. You deserve to enjoy it without the fear of unexpected tax bills eating into your wealth. Take the first step toward a more secure, tax-efficient retirement today by claiming your free Gold IRA guide. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just real, one-on-one education to help you make the best decisions for your future. Remember, taxes won't stop rising, but you have the power to fight back. Claim your guide now and protect what's yours. Your retirement deserves nothing less. Let's make sure you're not leaving money on the table. Take action today.